present, the future.
Intermediate English, past, present and future.
Video 1, Education.
Past,
In the past, teachers used only a blackboard to teach, and students had only printed books.
present,
But nowadays a lot of teachers use interactive whiteboards.
Are Smartboard interactive whiteboards. With touch recognition, you can use a pen to write, a finger to navigate, or a palm to erase.
And get students engaged. And nowadays some students use ebooks instead of printed books.
Instead of. Ao invés de.
past,
In the past, students did homework using only paper and pencil. And the only way to search about something was to go to a library.
present,
Nowadays, teachers create digital content for students to have more interesting activities as homework.
Content.
Conteúdo.
past,
In the past, classes were always face-to-face. But the COVID pandemic made online classes popular.
present,
So nowadays, a lot of teachers use virtual classrooms or teach both in traditional classrooms and virtual ones.
the future.
Now let's think about the future of education. There are some technologies that already exist in the present that will probably be popular in the future.
Fortunately, visit a new metro station. Or an oil field.
And learn critical safety procedures.
Go back in time.
Or dive into the ocean.
And interact with virtual animals.
And move virtual pieces.
In the present, only some universities use virtual reality in class. But in the future, many universities and schools will use virtual reality in the classrooms. Soon, virtual reality will be more advanced and more affordable.
Soon.
Em breve, logo, em futuro próximo.
If virtual reality is not enough to help you memorize new content, something else might help.
Might help.
Pode ajudar. É possível que ajude.
Learning pills might exist one day. And they will improve your brain and help you learn faster too. Next video, you will see the past, present and the future of work.